There's the impact area, because there, I don't know whether you can see it, is the geocache. We're here at the Arnold City Park on the banks of the Meramec, and we're going to pick up hopefully a few geocaches. This area in the spring can get quite flooded as the Mississippi floods and also backs up into the Meramec River. I have about 2/10 of a mile to go. I'm going to have to work my way through this flooded area. This looks like the remnants of a old building. You can see probably the foundations, and also probably in the dry season it probably makes for a homeless cat encampment as well. Compass is telling me around about 400 feet. Luckily the ground is a little bit drier, so we'll keep advancing on the cache. Within around about 50 feet, there's some big trees here that might be helpful, and I think I may have spotted it. Wow. Suspicious pile of sticks or logs. There we go. Looks like there's something inside there. Well, let's check it out. Yep, not quite sticks, more like logs. I do believe this was part of a Christmas cache that was put out, and it's very, very interesting. Oh, is this an elf mooning me? Oh, there's the container. Oh, and I gotta reach inside. Almost like a little game. Yeah! All good to go. Ready for the next geocacher to be mooned. It's always good to find a path. It's amazing to think that this floodplain drains into these little streams that make the way to the Meramec, that make the way to the Mississippi, and then all the way down to the Gulf. That soccer ball has seen better days, but we can still kick it. Well, the path gives us a little ford to get through, but I still don't want to get wet. In for a penny, in for a pound. Well, not only floodwaters to cross, but we've got a railway line as well. This one is called the end of the park. I've been in every part of the park, and I think I might have come to my end, but let's see if we can find this cache. And there it is. I think this is called the end of the park because this is attached to a boundary fence that signifies the end of the park, and I just broken through it coming across the railway lines. Another fence and another cache find. And there we go. It's quite wet. I will attempt to put my mark on it. Yep, the post came in handy. Well, I did tell the wife to watch out on Life 360. That's the tracking system she uses, basically for insurance purposes, so that if I just happen to fall out of a tree, she can say, this is where you need to find the dead body. There's the impact area, because there, I don't know whether you can see it, is the geocache. And there it is. Yep, I can see the impact area from up here. Question is, if a man falls out of a tree in the woods and his wife's at home, does he hear a scream? Probably not. That wasn't too bad. How do I get down? Ooh, gosh. Well, no insurance claim this time. The question of the day is, why is there always an easier way out? Looks like spring has sprung. GPS is telling me 100 feet over to that area. The question is it an island or can I walk around to it? I'm hoping the geocache is over here as well. Made it across and made the find. Got the log signed, and I will move this travel bug or travel spider along the way. There are some interesting clamshells along the way. They've been opened probably by the bird life in this area. They've enjoyed a meal, but they're quite pretty. Very appropriate for Easter. Well, that was a fun climb. I always enjoy getting out in the woods. I've been doing adventure labs recently, but I just thought today I'd have a change of pace and enjoy the woods, enjoy the river, and enjoy that climb. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.